Hey guys, Taylor with GammaEdge coming at you with a quick trade review for 12/6/23. Recapping the day real quick, lost a little over 1% of the account today. That is within an acceptable range of loss for the day. Given that's kind of what I risk kind of trade, so not a big deal. Went 0 for 2. If you want to know how you short in a downtrending day and losing money, well, this is the video for you. So just a recap of the day real quick. Here is cumulative tick when it's all said and done. We did roll over into the afternoon. Buyers and sellers really weren't aggressive for most of the days. New highs outpaced new lows. Coming into this session, looking at SPX, that's where we're going to focus. That's what the trades are on. You can see the blue is trying to transition range. Top BMP trans, for that level and all above, are positive GEX. In trans, this level and below are negative GEX. This was relatively the same as yesterday. Really chopped around yesterday. Again, chopped around really today in the context of the zone itself, gapped up, then weak all throughout the session. So anyways, headed into the day. First trade happened right around in this area right here. So what I saw is, kind of an intraday downtrend, lower highs, lower lows. Here, kind of a big sell-off. The tick was kind of starting to turn intraday, kind of a classic 1, 2, 3 pattern here. What do I mean by this? I mean a big kind of bearish bar, an inside bar right here, so that's a great bar to size my risk against. So I went short when we took out the low of the prior candle. My stop loss was really prior day low, which is this red line. It also corresponded with the top of the candle. So good confluence there. Got a little bit of initial push, really zero follow through, so I got stopped out on this candle right here. First loss, and then you can still see though, kind of, obviously hindsight, but the day was, bearish the entire day. So second trade was shortly after right here. Yeah, you see how really kind of just consolidate. I guess if you're into moving averages, consolidating around the moving averages, it's kind of just nice confluence there. Yeah, and then this is a classic kind of lower high setup that I take. So this bar right here is my signal bar. Broke below the low. Took this on this candle bar. Everything was looking great. You really just couldn't get any follow through there. I was really playing for kind of a move to low a day and then potentially down to transition and negative GEX, which we ended up getting. Unfortunately, I was just early, and early is the same thing as being wrong in this business. So that was it. But what caused me to get out of the trade? You can see we were just not progressing lower. Had some kind of demand wicks. Right here's what I call them. Yeah, kind of this hammer bar or whatever. And then once we took out that high, the hammer bar, I exited my position for a relatively small loss. Most of my losses came on the initial trade. Really, just the logic is there is, every reason to go lower, and we just can't go lower. So got out of the trade, and then naturally, kind of progressed lower throughout the day from there. So 0 for 2, but again, they're two good trades. Shut down shop after that. Didn't want to risk, trading on tilt or whatever, because I've been known to do that if you watch these videos. So, like I was telling, I think Michael today, tomorrow I have to live with the decisions of today, and so I don't want to sacrifice an acceptable loss that could easily be made back, and then some just was one good trade tomorrow. So we live to fight another day. And with that, y'all have a good night. I'll talk to you later. Bye.